Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's look at how to screenshot on your PC or Windows. Okay, now when we talk about screenshot, right, the typical way, this is something that my ex-boss used to teach me, is to use the key on our keyboard, the print screen key, right? So let's do it now. I mean the typical way. Okay, you print screen, then you go to the pane and paste it, right? Now let's say you wanted to show to your friends or colleagues or maybe your IT staff because you are seeing something not normal on your PC, just this particular area. So normally what we do is we'll just do a crop over here using the pane, okay, and just crop this area. Then what we need to do next is we copy it and we paste it on our email. That's how we do it. I mean the normal way, okay? But sorry for my language, I feel this is a little bit stupid, okay? I'll tell you why. Because this method actually, there are so many steps involved in order to get this screenshot, okay? So I'm going to show you the next way, a better way to screenshot your desktop, okay? Now in the better way is basically you need to go here to the search bar again, okay, and you look for this snipping tool. Okay, so this program is available in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Okay, as you can see I'm actually using Windows 10 here. Okay, now open the program, you get the toolbar like this. Now let's do the same thing again. We just want to screenshot this area. So using this tool, right, there's a mode here. You need to change it to rectangular snip first, okay, and the next thing, okay, something's wrong. Okay, now go back to here, make sure that the mode is the correct. I'll talk about all this mode again later. So when the mode is ready rectangular, so what you need to do is you go to here, new, click on this new, and this area, right, left click, okay, drag, then release. You see, this is so much easier than the way that I mentioned to you earlier, right? That I shared to you earlier, I mean the typical way. And let's say you want to share this to your friends and colleagues and so on. So what you need to do is just go here, edit, copy, and paste it. That's it. It's so much easier, right? Okay, now back to the here, right? Okay, now let's say you want to do another screenshot. What you need to do is just go back here, click on the new, and I want to show something cool. Okay, now when you click on the new, right, the whole thing you can see that it's a bit white over here. If you want to cancel this, what you need to do is just press the escape key on your keyboard. Okay, now I want to show you the next cool features about this snipping tool. Go to here, mode. There's something. Okay, now before I can show you this this mode, let's bring up this window. Okay, now what if I just wanted to actually screenshot this active window only? Okay, if we were to do the way that just now I shared to you, you need to kind of like click and then drag, right? But there's an easier way. So go back to here, mode, window snip. Okay, pick this mode, window snip, and go to new here, right? And you can see that you just select here, and that's it. Can you see that? You already screenshot the active window. It's just as easy as that. Okay, so as for other modes, right, okay, you can go ahead and play around with it. Then you actually kind of like you value this tool even more. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please do click the subscribe button, at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.